affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is such a fancy word, but then it's a simple thing. It's basically you promoting the product of someone else, and where there is a sale out of the promotion or the recommendation you made, the person gives you a commission out of that. Most of the times, they are able to trace, and by they I mean the owners of those products, are able to trace where every sale comes from, because there is a special link that they give to you when you are signing up as a marketer for that product or as an affiliate marketer. And so most of the times people ask me that question: how would they know I made that purchase or that person bought that product because of me? It's because that link came through whatever link that they gave to you when you decided to help them market that product. And it's a tricky one if you don't get it right, because you might be a special person with skills, let's say in human resource. So being a human resource person and you going to sign up for a product that is under health, how are you going to convince people to buy those products? The next day, you're also selling another thing under a different section or under a different profession. And so most of the times, I advise that if you want to be an affiliate marketer, be sure to sell products or recommend products that are under your field. Let me take mine as an example. I teach people how to create courses. And in creating courses, you need certain tools, you need certain softwares. For instance, you will need a camera, you need an editing software or app, you need some other tools to create your templates and all. So, if you are going to use Canva like I used, if you are going to use Adobe Premiere Pro like I used to edit, and then I'm an affiliate marketer for Adobe Premiere Pro, and also an affiliate marketer for Canva. In this case, I don't have to struggle so much to recommend those products to you. It is something I am already using. And so when I tell you that this is what I use, and it's very easy to create templates from canva.com. So use it. This is the link to make it easier for you. Of course, it requires that you tell them you are an affiliate, and whatever commission that you are going to get has nothing to do with how they will charge. So when you tell them that, you've already told them you're an affiliate, all right, but then they trust you because that is what you are using and it's working for you. So they can easily click on that link, go there, make a purchase, and it comes to your credit. You've made an extra money out of there too, in addition to your other products. And so if you go into affiliate marketing, those are some of the things that you should take advantage of and also take into consideration.
Dorcas, I think we are learning so much from you today. I'm really excited you decided to join us today. So let me jump into the Q&A. The first question I'm going to ask you is on affiliate marketing. Okay, so what are your top three, or let's say, no, your top three affiliate marketing programs that you would recommend? And why will you recommend them? Your top three.
That is a good question, but I would do that based on my specialty.
That's right.
What I know. The very first one is to go in for the softwares. And if you're a trainer, you get where I'm coming from. With them, it's automatic. You are using it, you're telling people to use it. So it's easier. Then the second will be to go for Amazon.com's affiliate marketing. Amazon is a known brand, a worldwide known brand, and people trust their source. And so if no matter your field, there is something at Amazon for you. I'm an affiliate marketer there. And even though I have my books there are other things that I've recommended to people from their site, and it's working for them. So in this case, I didn't cheat them, because it worked for them. It could be books. You were recommending books that people had to read. Supposing you had an affiliate link, it's just you putting in the resources, they're clicking on that link, which is your link as an affiliate marketer, and then making a purchase to read. In this case, They've not increased the price because a commission will come to you. It's still the same price, whether they go to Amazon.com to search for it or they use your link to buy it. But then at the end of the day, you've helped someone to improve on their reading habits, and you also generated another income for yourself. So those two are my go-to places for now. For the third one, by virtual geographical location, is a bit difficult because ClickFunnels is doing so well. ClickFunnels take care of people's courses, books, and all those other things. Whatever that you want to sell as a digital product, you go to ClickFunnels and they are doing so well. Most people are making sales there, but then they are tailor-made mostly for the people in the US and then European countries. And so if you're in Africa, you might not have access unless you go through the back door and then you make you turn here, there, and there before you get to that. So I wouldn't add ClickFunnels. That would have been my third source for you to go for your affiliate marketing.
All right, so if affiliate marketing is what you are thinking about, then let's look at the first two. Let's look at softwares. So look at softwares in your field, Canva and I use Canva too. Actually, I use Canva. Most of my designs, I just use Canva to do it, and it's free. You know, they have the paid version, but you can use the free version to do a lot of designs. And then you can also look at Amazon affiliate market. I recently signed up to the Amazon affiliate marketing, and I've started promoting it on my YouTube videos. And I think that this is something you can also explore.